In today's stressful life, owning a hot tub can not only improve your health, it can also create quality time for the entire family. Stay safe in your own backyard and save top dollars on traveling and visiting day spas and massage centers. If your spa or hot tub needs repairs, Acura Spa Systems has created an easy and affordable way to fix and rejuvenate it yourself. Buy factory direct from one of the oldest manufacturers of spa pumps, controls, blowers, and heaters, Acura Spa Systems.
Acura Spa Systems in Riverside, California can help you save hundreds of dollars on a replacement controller for your hot tub by buying factory direct and eliminating the middleman. Acura Spa Systems has been manufacturing controllers, heaters, pumps, and blowers since 1987. We can power almost any hot tub worldwide. But in order to design a replacement controller for your hot tub, we need to know several things. So grab your smartphone to take about a dozen photos to show us critical details about your current setup. Let's get started by removing the front cover from the current controller box. Typically, there will be 7 screws, 3 on top, 2 on the bottom, and 1 on each side. Once the cover is off, take a photo framing the overall interior electrical circuitry of your controller. The tighter you can make the overall circuitry shot, the better we can see what's inside. Now for the close-up photos. Take a close-up of the heater cylinder where the water is flowing through. Some heaters are mounted on the top, some are mounted on the remote panel. Take a second close-up shot of how the heater is connected to your hot tub's plumbing. Now take a third close-up shot of the label on the heater, which states its wattage. This shot is critical to the design of your new controller. Let's move on to taking a close-up photo of the accessory cord plugins. Take one close-up of all the plugins themselves, and another photo showing where those cords plug in to the green PC card. It's time now to snap a few shots of all the various electrical motors in the spa cabinet and all the electrical accessories, such as your ozonator in the cabinet. And for each motor, take a photo of the label showing the voltage. Now keep in mind the various electrical motors are often scattered within the spa cabinet. Finally, take a close-up photo of your hot tub's topside controller mounted on the spa deck or spa cabinet. We need to see all the buttons or display panel, which tells us how the spa is supposed to operate. Now send all those photos to sales@acuraspa.com to help us design a new controller for your hot tub. Then we'll submit a quote on the bottom line for you. If you like the price, Acura Spa Systems will complete the job and ship it back to you as soon as possible. This is how Acura Spa Systems can help you buy factory direct and save big bucks, eliminating the middleman's labor costs and profit margin on parts.
To speak with one of our spa or hot tub professionals, call us at 951-684-6667, extension 223.